We are now here in Tamalili. I don't know what's the pronunciation of this one, but we're on the top of the mountain and we're going to have our lunch. Here we go, so we're just having lunch. Chicken, what's that? Beef? Probably it's a horse. We asked for fruit and they gave us bread instead.
Yeah.
So they're selling some bread. We're just buying some dried dates here in Ush Bazaar. I just bought some peanuts and it cost me only 50 cents. With figs. We're buying some figs. Grapes here is less than $1 a kilo. It's so cheap in here. Wow, it's really tasty. I'm buying some beehives. See, it's just only less than $2 for the whole thing. And these are pollen. Wow, this is pollen, pure. So this is bee pollen. Vitamin. Wow. If you